The second step of the extraction process is isolation of metal from concentrated ore. This involves two steps. The concentrated ore is converted to oxide. These oxides are reduced to form metal. Actually, these oxides are easier to reduce. For example, if sulfide ores are considered, on oxidation, zinc sulfide will be converted to zinc oxide. In the second step, this zinc oxide can be reduced by a suitable reducing agent, for example, carbon, to give the metallic zinc. Let us discuss each step. First, conversion to oxide. Two methods are used for this conversion to oxide: calcination and roasting. What is calcination? This is the process of heating the ore to a high temperature below its fusion temperature in the absence of air or limited supply of air, when the volatile matter escapes, leaving behind the metal oxide. For example, calcination of iron oxide will help the removal of water from it, and calcination of zinc carbonate removes the volatile part, carbon dioxide, from it, and calcination of dolomite, that is calcium magnesium carbonate, removes carbon dioxide. In all these examples, the metal oxides are formed by calcination. Second step is roasting. In roasting, the ore is heated in a regular supply of air in a furnace at a temperature below the melting point of the metal. For example, zinc sulfide on oxidation in the presence of air produces zinc oxide. Sulfur dioxide will be the byproduct. Similarly, lead sulfide and copper sulfide, these compounds are also converted to their corresponding oxides, and sulfur dioxide will be formed as the byproduct. The sulfur dioxide produced in all these reactions can be utilized for the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Next, reduction of metal oxide to metal. The metal oxide is heated with a suitable reducing agent like carbon monoxide, or even another metal. Self-reduction or auto-reduction is also possible. For example, oxides of zinc, iron and chromium, these are reduced in following ways. Zinc oxide is reduced by carbon. Iron oxide is reduced by carbon monoxide. Chromium is reduced by another metal, aluminium. In all these steps, the free metals are produced. And smelting is the term for reduction in the presence of carbon and carbon monoxide. What is flux? It is a substance that chemically combines with the impurity, that is gangue, present in the calcined and roasted ore to form a fusible material called slag. Slag is lighter than the molten metal, so it floats over the molten metal and is removed from the upper exit. For example, silicon dioxide is used for removing the gangue iron oxide as iron silicate in the extraction process of copper. That is, flux and gangue combine to form slag.